If you're running campaigns on Google Ads, it's important to know how to review and manage your invoices. Keeping track of your billing helps you stay organized, monitor spending, and avoid unexpected charges. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to view invoices directly from your Google Ads account. Start by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in with the Google account linked to your ads profile. This will take you to your Google Ads dashboard, the central hub where you can manage campaigns, check performance, and access all your billing information. From the dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and locate the billing section. It's often represented by a small credit card icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the financial section of your account. If you can't find the icon right away, hover over each symbol to reveal short tooltips that help identify what each one does. Once you open the billing area, you'll see the billing overview page. Here, you can view important financial details such as your current balance, recent transactions, and upcoming payments. To dive deeper, look for a tab labeled Summary and click on it. The billing summary page is where you'll find all your invoices. This section shows a complete list of your past and current bills, along with details like payment dates, amounts charged, and your account balance. It's your personal financial dashboard inside Google Ads. Take a moment to get familiar with this layout if it's your first time exploring it. To view a specific invoice, simply select it from the list. You'll then have the option to download the invoice as a PDF, which makes it easy to save or share for accounting and record-keeping purposes. Reviewing your invoices regularly helps ensure all charges match your campaign activity, keeping your ad spend accurate and transparent. As a best practice, make it a habit to check your billing summary at least once a month. This will help you stay on top of your ad expenses, track spending trends, and maintain a clear picture of your advertising costs. And that's it. You now know how to easily find and manage your invoices in Google Ads. Staying organized with your billing not only helps you budget more effectively, but also gives you peace of mind knowing every transaction is accounted for. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Google Ads tutorials designed to help you advertise smarter and grow your business with confidence.